Hey peeps, thanks for clicking on another video. It's your girl AmberCharmayne. You already know the name. If you don't, make sure you get familiar by subscribing. And we're getting right into the video. You already seen the crochet hook, and here are the braids that I'm using. Got this from my local beauty supply store. You should definitely be able to find this. Expressions is a well-known brand. And then here are the other things that I'm using in my mom's hair. Towards the end you will see those used, and then we're getting right into the braids. I'm just doing straight back braids, just a really basic braid down, and I do go ahead and do them over just to do like the connecting braids in the back. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. I kind of forgot that that's what I was supposed to do, so I just did them all straight back and then had to redo the bottom half of them, so you will see that in a second. So here is where we kind of run into some issues. So I wanted to like loop it through like the end of the braid, the final braid. I want to loop it through the hair, and that's what I did right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the hair in and crocheting it. So all of this is gonna be sped up. I'm gonna put it on the screen where you can skip forward to a slowed down part so you can see a more detailed way of doing it, or the more detailed version of doing it versus this sped up version. But I'm going to show you what happens when I get down to the bottom. So here we are starting, and it's going to get to it in just a second. Okay, so here is where I undo the braid, and I have to stream it through the braids on the bottom. So the underneath part is where I'm going to put it, as you can see. And the reason why I did that is because it was about to get too bulky in that left corner. So it was just about to get too bulky with the way that I had put it through right there, just on that little corner. So I was like, okay, let me just take this down and put it underneath, because then it won't be bulky. So I had to redo that part. Just be careful if you do it like this, because my mom y'all, the takedown of this was something real crazy. So just let the person know to go really slow when they're taking it down, or take it down for them, because you know and can see the back of their head and see what you did. Okay peeps, so I'm back with my mother for the final results of her hair. So we did have to actually stop filming that day that we initially filmed. This was a whole separate day, and we had to get her another pack. So if you see in the last clip, it was really sparse. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see that it is really full. So as you can see, there is not a whole bunch of gaps in the front of her head anymore. So I filled all that in, and we still have a little bit left over from the second pack that we bought, but it looks really good. Now it's been maybe like 2 weeks since we filmed that initial video, so you also are getting to see what it looks like after a while. And my mom has not done too much to it. We probably are about to take it out because she is concerned about washing her hair, but I I do not believe in like washing your hair when you have stuff like this in. I had yarn locks once, which I do have a tutorial on my channel about that from a long time ago, y'all. Y'all can see the quality difference in my channel as well if you watch that older video. But yeah, in that video I had yarn dreads and I got those wet like a little bit once and it was so heavy. So anything like this is going to absorb all that water and weigh your head down a whole lot, and also it's going to take a lot to get all that water out. So I do not recommend washing your hair with something like this in. You honestly can reuse the braids, so I would just suggest taking it out and redoing it and just wearing the hair as long as you possibly can without washing it. So hopefully y'all are seeing all of this. So yeah, just showing y'all some of the in-between parts of the hair. But yeah. So these are the results of the crochet box braids. I think they came out really good. What do you think, mother?
I love them.
You love them? Okay, that's great.
I'm not going to take them out forever.
Okay, that's enough now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing it to myself as well. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film it or not, y'all, because I don't have the time right now. Y'all, I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I'm working. They have us doing overtime. Overtime at the last minute. They had me working today, 2 days in a row on the weekend.
On the weekend.
Y'all.
Slave driver.
Y'all, it's a problem. So I am going to go ahead and let y'all go. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to monetization and 5K subs before the end of the year, and we need all the support we can get. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody else that would enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Bye-bye.